Meaning of friendly fire.
Friendly fire.
Friendly fire.
Friendly fire.
Friendly fire. Friendly fire refers to the accidental firing of weapons at one's own military forces or allies. It occurs when troops mistake their own forces or ally troops for enemy fighters and engage them with fire. This can result in injury or death to friendly soldiers, as well as damage to equipment and a breakdown in communications. Friendly fire incidents can also lead to morale issues and diminish public support for military operations. Therefore, military training and communication procedures are implemented to mitigate the risk of friendly fire incidents, though they still occur from time to time.